Guys, so one of the questions we get all the time is why do I plateau on things? And so there's two main things that come to it. And we'll talk about what they call the fitness fatigue model of training, which is that your fitness increases, but so does your fatigue sometimes. And when those two things get divergent and you see more fitness results, like your net results of training versus being fatigued from the workout goes down, that's when you notice like performance increases and you're not at a plateau. When those two things match, your fitness, how much you're adapting to something, and how tired and fatigued you are, that's when you're not going to see results and you're going to hit a plateau, when those two things converge together versus when there's a separation of those two things. So what you can look at is the fitness side of the equation. Am I doing what they call overtraining and doing too much work and not letting myself recover, which is allowing that fatigue to kind of come up to it? Or from the fitness side of it, am I not actually training hard enough? I'm keeping the same weights, I'm not pushing hard enough, I'm not doing anything different, like sets, reps, changing that variable to increase the fitness enough to bring those together. So you can look at both sides of the equation, whether you're doing too much or too little, and try to figure out which of those things is probably more likely to be true. But one big way to kind of progress yourself and set up a overload to make sure is if you can do 2 more reps than you're currently doing for 2 sets, you're probably under training it a bit and not bringing that fitness up a little bit. If by the end of it, you're doing 2 sets and you're doing 2 less reps for 2 days in a row, then you probably need to go down because you're overtraining a little bit and take some recovery, let that fatigue settle out, and then the fitness will show up. So look at both sides of the equation when you think that you've hit a plateau. Am I overtraining? Am I undertraining? Is it my fitness that I need to work harder, or is my fatigue too high? And that can come into your sleep, your nutrition as well. So look at all those things.